My 2-minute conviction today is emotions can lie. I mean, there's no doubt what we feel seems real. And, they're valid and we need to give them a name and we can't ignore them. But here's how I know my emotions can lie. I can walk into a cinema and I can watch an incredible, moving film and I can feel sad, I can feel angry, I can feel excited, all because the director has created a story that I buy into. And I live vicariously through the experience of another. But the truth is, even though I feel these things, my circumstances haven't changed. They're not really reflected in the emotion. And so when I feel something in my leadership, in my life, in my business, in the way I engage with people, actually I'm starting to believe I've got to fact check those emotions. I've got to test them. I've got to look for the evidence and the proof before I buy into how I'm feeling. Because sometimes the emotions, whilst they appear real and they definitely influence my behavior, they're lying to me. They're not reflecting the truth of the world around me. And so when I think about how I behave, normally my emotions dictate what I do. My emotions come first and the action comes second. And so here's my 2-minute conviction. If emotions can lie, maybe I need to flip the script on that. I need to reverse the process and I need to choose my behavior and choose how I'm going to act and let the feelings catch up. So I'm going to choose to live on purpose. I'm going to choose to be committed. I'm going to choose courage. I'm going to choose love, choose forgiveness, even when I don't feel like these things, and trust that the emotion will follow. Otherwise, I'm at the mercy of this nebulous emotional world that sometimes is represented in reality, but often could be lying to me. That is my 2-minute conviction. I hope that helps you this week.